Hey guys, what's up? This is Silk Reacts here to let you know what is going on into the world. Yes, but first I want everyone to subscribe. You understand? Let's get right into it. This is AMP Freshman. Jeez. What is going to happen? Hey, this thing seems like a movie, bro. Who's this guy? Bro, this is K-Sanat, bro. Like, if I pronounce his name right, K-Sanat. Bro, this thing seems epic, bro. Trust me. What are they gonna do?
I don't got no cousins in Alabama, nigga. Your friend was talking crazy, I almost blamed that nigga. Treat her like some Kool-Aid, about to jam it in her. Special rock bottom, summer slam it in her. Beat a blind nigga.
Hold on. Oh, I swear that is Kevin R just now. That guy right there.
He ain't see it coming. Fuck a deaf nigga bitch, he ain't hear her moaning. It's a good day. I snuck in a special ed class and got straight A's. Straight up to the penthouse, got kicked out in 6 days. Shitting on these niggas, get a bidet.
No, this guy is not capping, bro. Straight lyrics, bro. Trust me.
2 months, throw a parade. Dick couldn't get hard, she thought I was gay. Show you how this firework, like 4th of July. 2 guns akimbo, we gon' slide. Bitch nigga scream for help, like aim high. Pew, 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 pew.
This nigga screaming for help like hey my yo.
Might die, shit can get scary, bloody like Mary. My hitters catch a case out on bonds like Barry. Never duck the smoke, I'm more like Tom than Jerry. Ask about me, nigga, I'm on your phone like Siri.
Yo, this thing is tough like stone, bro. He got lyrics, bro. This guy's not capping, bro. Trust me. Guys, y'all need to subscribe, bro. Y'all need to subscribe. Trust me. For real. Another beat. Alright, let's see what Duke got.
I'm the talk of the city, you heard something different, it's getting ridiculous. Whole time I be minding my business, you gripping my dick while we taking a picture. But you can't do shit without glazing, nigga. Nah, I can't have a baby with you. I'll go bar for dumb shit, but that's how you know when you made it, nigga. I feel like that I'm in my prime, like I'm Cal Newton, Carolina. If them shooters want you, they gon' find you, nigga. It ain't shit to drop a dime.
This song is tough, bro.
I just gotta find the time, but shit, I ain't really got the time to kill. Really
Seems like this guy is singing what is happening into his life, bro. What's going on into his life, bro. Trust me.
What it is, I did what I did, no point in denying the shit. Hop out the lab and get in the ghost. Stepping on all they toes. Don't be surprised.
Stepping on all those toes, bro. Hey, you better move your foot out of the way. Okay? Right now.
That's why she called me to go. I got a video on camera, yo bitch, while she was driving a boat. Nigga don't come to me asking me questions like, do I know her? And then I fuck a nigga when you know I did. Hey, nah, that's crazy.
Tough.
Hey, shit crazy.
Hey, this thing is crazy for real, bro. Y'all need to. Whoa, here's a.
I said, motherfuck the fame, nigga. I'm still the same, nigga. Motherfuck.
Seems like every guys right here have a different beat, bro. Showing their talent, guys. You all need to check them out for real. You understand? But first, subscribe right now. This thing is crazy, bro.
Fame, nigga. I'm still the same, nigga. I'm still the same, nigga. And I'm still getting paid, nigga. I get paid for bullion and dollars. Niggas
Hey,
mad
these
'cause
guys, yo, hey, they're on top of a building, bro. This guy right here seems like he's on a stage for real, bro.
bitch be tryna holler. Pop a collar, pop V's and pop Scotties. And niggas mad cause that bitch on my body. Back then when I used to dream about the linguini. Nowadays I push up in a straight Lamborghini. And it's not no luck, man, it's not no Jimmy. I know you wish it was tryna save your feelings. Back then I was tryna go and save my cheddar. And back then when I was reading immigration letters. And back then the shoebox fit the nice Beretta. And back then my uncles hopped out the green old Jetta. Make your body quiver, make your shake do the Jettas.
Yo, this guy is tough, bro. He's telling you what is happening back then, bro. Yo, no cap, guys.
Ass niggas I straight litter. Who living bitter, can't afford your babysitter. Your baby mom
Cannot afford a babysitter, bro. There's no babysitter right here. Okay?
crib, I'm straight with her. Straight with her.
Bro.
Straight winner. I said every day I'm sorry, God, I'm a straight
Yes.
sinner. I ain't gon' lie, My pockets keep getting fat, they don't get slimmer. I mean, I like Rick with the Margiela. My chain blind so much, I call it Helen Keller. My left hand.
Bro, this guy got bars, bro. Trust me. It's not prison bar, but this guy got bars, bro.
My right hand a killer. And now freestyle this whole shit, I'm fella Ella.
Tough. I give this guy 10 out of 10, bro. These guys, 10 out of 10. Let's see what this guy got. Different beat. Alright.
Wait. It's summer. I'ma show out the car like it's winning. New V, I just got me a sprinter. Don't talk to me, you a beginner.
Don't talk to me, you're a beginner. Oh my god, this guy's tough.
And a month and spend me a bill. No reason. I be feeling low ballin' on grill. I'ma be honest. I've been trying like to rap for like 3 years. It's just not working that well. Hey yo, engineer, try the second beat.
Not working? What is going on, bro? Guys, let this work for real. Subscribe, okay?
What is this, bro? Come on, bro. Alright.
Wasn't looking for love, then you came along. Yeah, how we got along. You singing to my songs.
Guys, switch it up. He switch it up.
I was feeling urgent, no, I couldn't wait too long. So I made you mine. Girl, I made you shine. You was the only thing running through my mind.
I guess he just want to be different, y'all. He just want to be different, okay?
I wanted
Tough.
others I declined. You did all the right things, girl, I seen the signs. She ain't never rude, no. I swear she took my heart and can't nothing tear us apart. No broken hearts. You do for me, I do for you. You do for me, I do for you.
So,
I swear she
50-50.
took my heart and can't nothing tear us apart.
Oh,
No
God.
broken hearts. There's nothing we do for you.
Song tough, youth. Tough like stone. Fast like car on a highway. See what this guy got.
When I say anything's possible, it's not just a motto, it's more of a lifestyle. Hold up. First and foremost, let me thank God for all of these blessings. On the 1st of October, the doctor pulled me out my mama. Even my diapers designer. Caviar all of my bibs. Papa look all I accomplished. On the top of the world with my partners.
Tough.
New York. He just left
Bro,
the
hold on. He's Casey Nut can sing, bro. Like he can DJ for real. I can't wait to hear that guy part.
Had a helipad on that bitch on the top.
No, it don't.
Yes, it did.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did, bitch. Hey. See for real, I be out the way. A&P been ballin', yeah, that back hit like a heavyweight. Told her bring her friends to the top floor, we gon' celebrate. My circle on fire like Olos at the circus. And the crazy thing is that we ain't scratched the surface. It sound like my accountant asking me what the
Bro,
fuck
this guy's speaking, bro. He's not spoken. He's speaking lyrics, bro.
I met this girl before the come up, cause this was she was perfect. Her heart was colder than a Eliante Nikki. Switch her hair, they feel like I'm fucking on a different woman. Then she gave me distance, so I started fucking on different with the thing I hate the most is niggas tryna put fear in me.
I don't feel you.
Oh, you got a gang outside? I don't feel them niggas. Big G-O-D, I feel the my calculator.
Yo, this thing is tough, bro. Yo, these guys, trust me, this is really fresh, bro. You understand? AMP guys, go check it out, okay?
Yeah, I still put it on like fashion show. She want love and affection, probably gonna see her in my future. I manifested, counting the comments, they manifesting Kama Sutra. Go. Nah, niggas tryna blow my shine like a solar eclipse. When I started making money, everybody hates Chris Steady. Typing tiptoeing around my name, you ain't make shit. I heard you was up in the pandemic, ain't had paper since. I can use my left hand, I can use my right wrist. Kick my feet up like a Tarantino movie. I feel like Kill Bill, all my exes tryna pursue me.
Tough. You got style into it as well, you understand? Stuff, bro. Let's see what this guy got, bro. Trust me. Alright? Bro, is that what Kevin Hart said in his stream, bro? He's at the friend zone, bro. So he came out to do a lyrics of it, maybe.
Heard you got a coupe, I got a coupe, but it's a Benz though. Kept it playing even when she tell me, but we friends though. Basing that, earrings on me, same size as men.
Bro, this guy can rap as well.
I've been rappers through the basement. Difference between you and me is I don't get complacent. If our cars get adjacent, please don't try to race it. Streamer of the year, next 50 summers, time to face it. If I retire now, I still be said I'm good for ages. Wouldn't wanna be on my deathbed, ain't no trading places. My life full Jackson Aces. Can't fuck with me if you're basic. My bait look just like the Matrix. Inside content just like Agent. Back and forth with my agent. If I press post, they raise the wages. Print up my bros, get open cases. I ain't care about where I sleep long as my do script gets spacious. Bad bitch, you twist my head, came through, they ain't even slay it. We heard the other Cypher drunk, just didn't nobody play it. Anytime I talk, make sure your ears wide like gauges. Done been on many stages, with one song they still go crazy. Rolling on my wrist, bust down, go exit, baby.
Bro, these lyrics, bro, no cap, bro. You understand? No cap. No capping, guys. You have to subscribe right now, okay? You have to subscribe.
When I do this shit because they pay me, thank God I made it. I'm the people's
Rolling, bro. You have to thank God, bro. You have to thank God, bro. You understand?
And they said I'm stamped. New whip off the ramp. Jumping out the house like I'm vamp. Check my count. Put that on my camp. Glow up like a lamp. And I'm never
Glow
shy.
like a lamp.
Garrett penny stamp. 2-seater cramp. Get rid of me, they can't. Facts.
Facts, bro. Get rid of me, they can't, bro. Y'all have to subscribe. Yo, these guys going hard, bro. Seems like someone do this something and they say, okay, I got this. Bro, got lyrics, bro. Lyrics on top of lyrics, bro. It's not gimmicks, bro. It is lyrics, bro. Who's coming, bro? Who's this? All of my subscribers, let's see who is this, bro. Who is this guy? Oh, it's Kevin Hart, bro. Bro, it's Kevin Hart. Let's see what is going to happen. Because this seems like some movie rap shit, bro. Alright?
You know, I get a lot of questions on the daily.
Yeah.
I think that business question is dropping where you've been. My answer to that is minding my fucking business. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas, I guess this is my pop out. Let's get it. Let's get it. Drop a real rap raw, you already know what it is.
Yo, Kevin Hart, yo. Seems like Kevin Hart listening. They not like us. Sometimes we gotta pop out and show niggas. Hey, y'all can hear that in Not Like Us, bro. In Kendrick Lamar video, bro. In the song. You understand? Trust me. Now you say.
Yo, all this talk about the big three. Fuck that, them not me. Goddamn, I'm mad. All shit you said. Well, it's time to get glad, cause I'm back and I'm really mad. Put my feet on the ground. Now what you gonna do but hear the sound? Dropper, I've been a dog. Fuck that, I've been a hog. Seafood, I'ma grab it. Why? Cause it's my dog. I am him. You not
Bro,
them.
not just acting, bro. It's rapping. This is lyrics, bro. Tough like stone, bro.
That I'm gon' win. W's and not for the West is for me, and I'm gon' win. Ow!
Yeah.
Damn, it's been a while. I come back, I see your girl and I snatch her. It's mine, I take it, I get that. I do what I want that. Fuck that, it's mine. Kitty cat, now flip that. Beat box on beat dips and
Oh, Kevin Hart is really upset, bro. Like, yo.
beats on beat lips. Fuck that, it's me, not them. I am that.
Brawling.
Ooh, shit, coming like on ding dong ding dong da. Shots out to all them. Fuck them, I'm gonna win. Come on, say that.
Guys, y'all remember. Yo, this guy, yo, he's like a comedian as well, guys. You understand? So, yo, Chano.
I say they come there, they want it. On there, they said that you want it. Ole, ane,
Yeah.
oh, tunde. That's
You got it, bro.
bitch. I got it
All
all.
right.
It's in my bag. Fuck that, I'm running now. All shit, I'm getting down. Dropper, the bounce back, and what I'm doing, getting around. Feet on the ground. AMP, I'm with them now. I'm screaming, what time now? What that mean? I don't know, but I'm in it. You not. Fuck that. I'm walking.
Hey, he's in it, bro. You're not, bro. Hey, these guys got lyrics, bro. Trust me. AMP, big up yourself, okay? Yeah. Yo, lyrics is in these guys, bro.
off now cause I feel like I done got a lot. All shit, big bags, big money, big stacks. Come on, man, I'm doing too much. Fuck that. It's got a lag, delay. Everybody, don't move, just stay. I didn't go nowhere. That was a delay. Fucking man, I'm done now. I can't. Fun now. Hey,
Yo, he's just freestyling.
I'm on the run now. I'm out.
Brawling, I'm out.
You don't get the mic back after I just did what I did to it. This mic got to be burnt.
See, hey, someone did Kevin Hart something, bro. Like, you're not getting back the mic. Trust me. You understand? Yo, this lyrics is tough, bro. Trust me, they got talent. It's not just one talent, more than one talent, bro. He's not capping, bro. He can't hold the mic.
Bitch, I'll do another freestyle right now.
Yo, this thing is tough, bro. MP, y'all have to listen to these tracks, bro. Trust me, they're sick. You understand? These lyrics can't even go to the hospital, bro. You understand? No cap. Guys, subscribe. You reach the end of the video. Yo, this thing is tough, bro. Trust me. MP. 1 AMP is not 3. You understand? Big up every one of you guys. You understand? Guys, also subscribe to this channel right here. One code music. Okay? You will hear all of these AMP songs over there as well. You understand? Big up on yourself. Brawling. Tough. I'm out.